Hi guys, we're at Palauan Night Market, and this is our Friday night here, and I think this is going to be a continuous event, right? So I'm here with Ngadix from PBA, and she's going to tell us a little bit about what we're doing here and what's going on tonight. So Ngadix, could you tell us a little bit about what's going on here?
Um, Palauan Night Market is organized by Palau Visitors Authority. Aim ringi focus sa community, mar visitors sergi del nga international visitors. May obangge the showcase sa kaled, ma ko traditional the ethnic food ergi there wa fruit bat soup. And orang sa orang engarnya entertainment such as the traditional Palauan dance, Palauan music.
And for our English speaking visitors here, could you kind of let us know what is it that you're offering here? Um,
Palauan Night Market is organized by Palau Visitors Authority, and we're aiming at international visitors that comes to Palau, and it's an opportunity for them to come and see how we cook our food and what kind of food do we serve as our daily meals, and also to witness our traditional dance entertainments, such as traditional dance and our traditional musics.
that sounds great. I also noticed that we have back here some arts and crafts and some traditional Palauan woven baskets. These are all for sale, or are they for display? Could you let us know a little bit about that? And then also tell us how often this event is going to be going on.
Well, Palauan Night Market, due to a limited budget, we do it six times in a year, in a physical year. We're trying to sort of like encourage small business in the community, uh, who does art and crafts, just to come and showcase their arts and crafts, and it's for sale. It's not just display. I mean, anybody can come and purchase anything they want, from tortoiseshell jewelries and T-shirts and woven baskets and stuff like that.
Now, we know this is one of the first of many nights. Is there a schedule where people can go down to PVA and pick up a schedule of when these events are going to happen, or have they yet to be determined?
Well, we have a calendar of events that's out every physical year. So anybody can come to PVA, and PVA is an information hub for visitors and the communities as well. So you can come in any time of the day from 8 to 5 and pick up a schedule for Palauan night.
And plus, we got a little partnership with MBTV and WWFM. So when you guys have your announcements that they're going to have their events going on, we'll definitely air it out for people to get informed about and come on down and have a good night at Palauan Night Market, right?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
DS Broadcasting and MBTV.
Bye. All right, guys, so now that you've found out what Palauan Night Market is all about, we're going to head back here and check out all the displays and all the food that they have available, and get a little bit of information about what's really going on here at Palauan Night Market. Okay, so come along with me and let's take a look and see what they got. All right, guys, we're in one of the booths, and right here, if you take a look, we got olit, which is a fruit bat, and it's been stewed. And we also have some roast pork that they're selling at this side of the booth. All right, guys, so we have turtle shell jewelry here, and we have someone in charge that's going to tell us a little bit about what they have. So let's take a look.
Ali yung ilkapsinge ang akaklakatige kita utrula mga tarohoy kama majimrula ikagita olbiyong almrula troll shells Ngaya igagi dele clear tengar jang. Igagi da 7 days sir kamam. Igagi da set dele view ngala matala luda. Igagi da semum ngajagi dele nganya shape raba ala etpiang aba ala merura break. Ilang gagi da semum lui ba gagi da sebuis gagi da sebuis tengar jang. Ka sebuis. It's a shell, but it's a different kind of shell. It's a voice. So, di ka ito kung mansulang.
All right, guys, we're still here at Palauan Night Market. Got a couple of people here enjoying some of the snacks. What are you having over here?
I have no clue, but it looks good. So I might as well try it.
And how about you? What do you plan to do here tonight?
I'm selling the fruit bat.
Selling the fruit bat? Well, and can you tell us a little bit about how you caught it or where you got it from and how you cook it?
I get it from Angar.
Came from Angar? Oh, okay. So you brought it all the way from Angar and came over here and cooked it over here, and then now you're selling it at the market. Great. All right. So let's go to the next tent, and then we'll show you what else they got available. All right, guys, we're here with Frank Kyota, and he's going to tell us a little bit about what he's offering tonight at Palauan Night Market.
Thank you. Can you follow me, please? See the beautiful ladies here first are the ladies from Ngarayam Linairai. They've got the crabs, land crab, coconut crab, clams, rabbit fish fried. They got the local peanuts, clam chowder. And those are famous tapioca from the state of Irai and Bilu and barbecue tapioca and one's in the branded one, including some lemon and of course the rabbit fish, which Irai is famous for.
And tell us, why is it that your food is the best here?
From Irai.
Oh, it's from Irai. Okay, you got that. So you got that. It's from Irai, so it's the best. We'll take it to the next tent and get a little bit more footage of what we have for you this evening. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're at another booth, and we got lots more jewelry here, fine Palauan arts and crafts. And this booth belongs to Lourdes, and she's right here. And she's offering all her fine turtle shell bracelets and toluk and other sorts of jewelry that she has made available to the public. All right, guys, you know that people here are in a good mood, and this gentleman here, he's decided to buy one of our staff members a turtle shell bracelet. And what's your name, sir?
Thomas.
Okay, so Thomas, where from where?
From Kayang.
Oh, he's from Kayang. So you know, if you're from Kayang, that you're a generous person, and we all know it now. So if you find a person from Kayang, hang around with them because they'll buy you something.
And I really have plenty money also.
And people from Kayang have plenty money. All right. All right, guys, in the next booth, we have more jewelry and more arts and crafts. And we have Kelly here to explain to us what she has available. Kelly, can you tell us what you got here?
Well, I'm doing this for my sister-in-law, Tativa, and she's been working with glass from Indonesia and Africa to make these glass jewelries here. Earrings, which I don't think too many people are making, and necklaces like this one here.
So you're telling me that all these things here, all the jewelry here is made out of glass?
Most of it's made out of glass. Even this is really a form of glass. Yeah.
Great. So guys, come on down. They got lots of nice jewelry. They look like they're pretty affordable. They got some for $6 all the way up to $24. So come on down and take advantage of the arts and crafts that they have here. Okay, all you visitors here to Palau, events such as this is a great opportunity for you to come down and see what the Palauans have to offer. Now here we have some woven baskets, some mats. We have these things here are called they're for gabui, and the gabui is the leaves that you see people wrapping around the betel nut that they chew. And these are called tet, where we put everything into the boo and the gabui and the whole kit. for chewing betel nut. So as you can see, these are really beautiful woven baskets, and they're available for purchase at every Palauan night market.
Alimil pagsangay nga kang klaka ol karilyak mo rabati bak mo ayo kareli yang talbeng adal makamagamachi di saldi ngaray bangalay masarak kalngar o kardugla kimilung karakaw rarongel ayoseng iratu maralo ba protama tanga di kalilza isla dik marala boyer isla sekara me ungil bisa oli yang wan iratu marangalungil bisa oli yang multa imong ayu kareli yang ikal ngira mitakari wam longawa ole maskera albil tal tamay tolo elo wase makatulule matanga mapularngi malangara bay maseng alia oi wa mases eliol talmel memeling arayus iyang wandir kani daswok le hoy alekong wi man masulang lakmoloy yatra sol sa nakmo mo daswok la mo daswok le lang Ema beb masek beb Partikwit arawngil tokoy Ledi di dadi takung mabatu dadi imong Raungil kalulaw ma aturay leva maalbiyang malmasulang mauta lang. Makmou. Masasili ng nartarare nga marmasoy sa babi. Laslol ta karao nga siren di kluwak kurang alikel. Ngal ka udal ba ba baling ngalikel abek laat. Ay kel iyon makarisubsub ang alutrare te alkamal. Ay kel mazalo mazalmal kalay darer alo aliyan dim leblo kay kel mazal. Ang masel madawal abe balake laki ang alutrakel kamal. Esel lang alel me et talang alutan na tarol kamal isel isnel ka mga tita barbuy sang alutan na omtil kamal magalaway sen kalngal kamral ngal kala omti man masulang
right, guys, this is the end of the night, and this is Palauan Night Market. So please come back for the next showing, and we'll let you know on WWFM or MBTV that we'll be down here at Bethlehem Park to give you another good night of Palauan Nights Market.